Hey folks, we've had some support questions come in tied to how to just do measurements in general through digs. And once that information is on the floor plan, how to get it on the right layer if you put it in the wrong place. So we're going to cover all that very quickly and hopefully make you all into power users pretty fast. So we're going to start by simply just doing measurements themselves. So we're on a sample floor plan right now. I'm going to go into measurement and just choose the linear measurement. We can use this functionality right now. I've got snapping already turned on. So I'm going to snap from this wall to the next. You'll see that it is automatically connecting to whichever line is closest. Now that we've got that across there, I'd like to do a different measurement now. I'd like to do an area measurement. So on the same room, I'm going to choose area measurement, which is the corner square. We're going to change this to blue. I'm going to choose this corner. And I will go down to the next corner. I'm using a scroll mouse just because it's easier, but you can use anything, even a touchpad. Once you've selected that, now we've got an area measurement for this room. So we're able to see, 228 square feet. Let's try to do something that's a little bit different. We're going to do a polyline. Polyline, along with snapping, makes it very easy to do non-standard shapes. So it's not a square, rectangle, or a straight line. So let's do this walk-in closet. We're going to start in the corner here. And once I click, we will snap to this corner, snap to that corner, boom, boom. I'm going to snap here on purpose in a weird location, and we'll finish it out. So we now have this room completely handled, but we notice that we have a mistake. I know that we did it on purpose, but let's fix it. So we go to the arrow key, we double click, it puts it into edit mode. From here, we can now move this point up to there and it snaps into place. And then click out of that or press escape and it brings us back to this view. So now we have 3 different measurements, but we didn't have any layers turned on. So all this information is now stored right on the base of the system. That makes it difficult for us to manage. It's going to show up on most interfaces, even if you don't want it to. So what I'd like to do now is just move this. We're going to assume that this is, flooring measurements. So I'm going to choose the arrow and we're going to drag and highlight. You could also simply click on something and just choose one item. But in this case, we want all 3 of these items. So we will drag and highlight, and they're all now available. I will now do Command X or cut. You can also do Control X if you're on Windows. Go over and turn on the flooring, and we'll do Command V or Control V to paste. It's going to drop this in the exact same location on the new layer. So then we see here now I can easily hide and show that information simply by turning on and off that layer. Now, if I also wanted to, I can make a simple modification. Let's go ahead and delete, one of these items. So I just choose the one I want to delete, and press delete, and it is now gone. That's everything. Measurements in a nutshell. If you have any questions, support.digs.com. Or support@digs.com for email. Have a great afternoon. Thanks.